and welcome to the unboxing of the Krisons Eiffel Tower Speaker. There is some info on the box, but it is unfortunately covered with this packing sticker. Let me now open the box and show you what's inside. First up, we have a user manual. Everything that you want to know about this speaker is listed here. Next up, we have a remote control and a pair of input-output cables. Now let's take the speaker out of the box. This is what the speaker looks like. It has a sleek matte black finish. You can see Krisons written right over here. You can also see the dual speakers. On this side, you will notice the side-mounted speaker along with the volume, bass and treble knob. Also notice that this part of the speaker is made out of wood. At the top, we have a display monitor and buttons for controlling media and for changing the modes. There is also a USB-A port, a TF card slot, and a 3.5mm aux port. At the back, we have aux input ports, a mic port, along with the power on-off switch, the power cable, and the FM antenna. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box. Thank you for watching.